Hello, and welcome to Moto-Everything, the channel that pretty much covers anything that has to do with motorcycles, from simple installs to simple reviews to simple repairs. On this channel, I hope you guys find it entertaining and helpful for beginners / experienced riders, or if you just bought a bike and can't figure things out, I'm here to help you out. A little about me: I ride a 2024 Ninja 500 and a 2012 Ducati Street Fighter 848. Now, I'm a new rider. I've been riding for a year, and I've learned a couple things, a couple stumbles along the way. But I'm here to kind of share my experience as a new rider and share with you guys. Now, in some of my videos that I've uploaded or that I'm going to upload, it does say Everything Moto, but I designed my logo and my graphics after the video, so I kind of messed it up. But it's Moto-Everything here, and hopefully you guys find it entertaining. And we're here to cover things like, helmets, backpacks, gloves, the gear I wear, simple installs, upgrades, and hopefully you guys enjoy the ride, no pun intended. But you can see like stuff like this, customize my helmet, so small things like that. Hopefully you guys are entertained, as well as some rides. We do group rides, I do solo rides, so I'll be posting rides as well, and the gear that I use, this camera that I'm using, microphone, pretty much everything, even my 360 camera, my GoPro. So I'll be just giving you guys tips and insider kind of tricks if you want to. As far as motorcycle goes, we also do 3D printing, as you can see right here, my 3D printer, and we actually put some upgrades on, from Amazon or some other expensive places. But we're here to cover everything. Hopefully you guys are entertained. Remember to subscribe, like, and hit that bell notification so that way you guys are up to date on what Moto-Everything is doing. And like I said, you guys, I hope you're entertained. And remember, ride your own ride. Ride your own ride, guys. Remember, it doesn't matter what CC you're riding, just ride your own ride. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. And remember, subscribe. Peace. Chicken grease.